I'm going to sew my elastic, cut off my excess lace, and of course glueless wig install. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor Simbi, and if you're new, you're welcome, and please subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, but thank you so much for coming back, you are the best. So guys, like I said before, we're going to be sewing an elastic band on this wig guys, and if you want a tutorial on how to make a wig like this, it's going to be linked right here on the screen as well as in the description. So let's get into the tutorial. First thing first, you want to measure your elastic. So those measurements on the screen, you can follow them. If you have a small size head, you can cut 9 inches of your elastic, and if you have medium size like me, you can cut 10 inches, and if you have large, you can cut 11 inches, and your wig will be tight for a glueless look. And make sure guys it's not too tight, because if it is too tight, you're going to lose your hairline. So make sure that it is just tight enough to make it stay and make it like look nice, not to cause tension or headache. So this is my elastic, is 10 inches. Like I said, I'm medium. So now I'm going to take my wig, and then I'm going to go inside the wig. So guys, when you're sewing, make sure that your elastic is facing like this. Yeah, so this is your parting. Your elastic should face your parting, and then on the other side it should also face your parting, like it should face the top, so that it will lay flat like this. It will follow the direction that the wig cap is going, as you can see, and it will be flat. Don't sew it going the other way like this. Make sure that it is going like this, then you sew. So the type of the wig cap that I'm going to be using is this one, the adjustable wig cap one. So with this type of wig cap, I'm going to sew it right here at the end, right here. As you can see, there's a gap that is left right here. This gap that is left right here, that is where I'm going to sew. But if your wig cap is like a dome cap, you can sew right here on the side of the closure like this. That is what you can do right here on the side of the closure. But mine, I'm going to sew it right here because it's an adjustable wig cap. So I'm going to place it right here, and then I'm going to take my needle, and then I'm going to start sewing. I'm going to tie right here at the beginning, and then continue sewing. So tie when you're at the other side, and then I'm going to sew from this side coming back to this side. So continue sewing so that it will be stronger and secured. This is so easy guys, it's so easy to attach. Just make sure that it is not too tight. Measure your measurement first, and then you can like sew depending on how tight you want it to be on your head. And if you can get the one that is like that you can adjust, that would be so much better. But if you have an elastic, you can just do the same method that I'm doing right here, and then when you reach the other side, just tie again. Then I'm going to cut off my thread like this guys. So when you're going to the other side, make sure it's straight like this, and then you're going to curve it. Make sure like so, and then you're going to come to the other side like this. Flip it. So like this. Then you're just going to continue to sew. I'm going to tie again like that, and then I'm going to sew from this side, going back to where I started sewing. Then I'm going to cut off my spread. So guys, so as you can see right here, this is the direction of it, and it will lay really flat on the back of your head. Yeah, as you can see, like that. Yeah, so I'm going to be cutting off this lace right here. I'm just going to use these small scissors to cut off the excess lace. You can see guys, I'm doing like a zigzag cut. Yeah, as you can see, if you can see, my lace is not like straight. So it's better if you do this like on your hand like this, not on your head, so that you can see exactly what you are doing. This is how the lace is looking like. As you can see, it's not straight, and this is how it's looking like, you know. So let's try it on. I already went ahead off camera to wear my nude wig cap and applied foundation on it, and right here I'm just applying my foundation underneath my lace to make it match my skin. And guys, this lace that I used to make the wig is Swiss lace. So just apply your foundation like that, and then guys, this is how the elastic is looking like, and this is it guys. So for wearing it guys, I will be starting off with the bigger elastic to wear, and then I'll wear the smaller one and then pull the rest of the wig. So like that, hold it like so, and then you're going to put your bigger elastic like that. And guys, as you can see, it's laying flat on my head like that at the back of my head, and it's sitting properly. It's tight but not too much, it's just sitting properly, it's comfortable. Yeah, so just wear your wig like that, and then you're going to flip your hair to the back, and this is it guys. This is it guys, look at that wig guys. And like I said before, I'm going to link a tutorial, like check out my previous tutorial to see how you can make your twist wig guys. And I'm also going to link a playlist on how to make twist wig guys, different types of twist wig, the one that you make using a needle, using a crochet, without closure, with closure, every kind of twist wig guys. So make sure you subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, and like the video, comment, and if you're already subscribed. But thank you so much for coming back, thank you so much for your support, and thank you so much to each and every one of you who has been sharing my videos. I love you so much guys. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye. Now, what does